Hello, and welcome to another brief demonstration of new features coming up in the Mars release of the Eclipse Papyrus project. Today we'll have a look at improvements in the layout of canonical views. So in the last few demonstrations we've seen the synchronization of diagram views from the semantic model at work. Today we'll see some improvements in how the views created by the canonical edit policy are laid out. This is particularly evident in behavior diagrams. So starting with a very simple activity model, we'd like to see what happens when we populate a new diagram entirely using the canonical edit policy. So let's drag a style sheet in here that makes all the activity views canonical. And what we see is not the greatest result. So we see all of the contents that we're looking for, but not laid out particularly ideally. Looking at a very simple state machine diagram, we see if, again, we make everything canonical, we see a very similar sort of result. Complicated by some of the vagaries of managing the layout of regions. And for communication diagrams, again, a very simple communication diagram. Looking at what we get, it's a very similar result again. So that is a brief look at the before picture. And looking at the after picture, let's repeat the same experiments. So in fact here now we see a much improved layout of the diagram. At least all of the nodes are not stacked horizontally in a line. So they're visually separated. We can see what's going on. And in the state machine, we also see perhaps some improvement. Yep. The edit parts still do make it a bit difficult to arrange things just the way we'd like. That is not a canonical edit policy issue as much as it is an issue with the implementation of the basics of the diagram. And finally, looking at the communication diagram, we see really no change at all. This being due to, again, the basic layout algorithms implemented by the diagram to which canonical edit policy delegates. So there you have it, improvements in the layout of shapes created by canonical edit policy. Thank you.